Well, welcome back to another day that did not go as planned, aka another day in my life. It is Vlogmas day 7 already. That's crazy. Today is Monday. My son, who was not feeling well yesterday, is still not feeling well today, so I actually kept both boys home from school and we went to go get a COVID test. We won't find out the results until probably tomorrow, but we did that just to be safe. We also talked to his pediatrician, and I'm pretty sure, if I had to guess, I think he has strep. He has a sore throat and a slight fever, so we're actually going to go later this afternoon to get him strep tested. That way, if he does have strep, we can start him on antibiotics and get this show on the road. So I was planning to take you grocery shopping with me, and we were going to meal prep together for the week so I don't have to order out every day. But actually, I have a bunch of those portobello mushroom tacos that I made yesterday in yesterday's video. So I have a bunch of those left over, so we should be fine for the day. Instead, I have another fun video idea that I was going to do. And I was actually going to take you on a little walk through my Amazon purchases the last 3 months, completely unfiltered. So not like the fun stuff that I order, like, you know, school recommendations. I was actually just going to show you like the actual stuff I'm ordering and why I like it, if I'm returning it. We're just gonna kind of walk through it. I saw somebody else do this video and I thought it was fun. I don't know about you, but I'm nosy like that. And you can find some good ideas. So we are going to do that in a little bit. Right now the boys are resting and I actually have to finish up my grad school paper. I think I said this in yesterday's video, but it ends this week. So my final paper is due Friday, but we have to have our draft up today so we can get feedback from our classmates. So that is my plan right now. Yeah, let's get to it. On Mondays, when it's not a filming week, I love to catch up on all the shows I missed out on. I usually have 2 crazy busy weeks of the month. The first week, which you witnessed last week, the first week of every month is when I am batching all my videos, and it is just a very intensive week. Lots of time that is taken for each one. And like you know, I'm still 2 videos behind, so I'm gonna worry about that on another day. The other crazy busy week is the last week of every month, and that's because all the deadlines are coming up for a new month. So I need to make sure that any brand deals I'm working with, all of that is settled. I need to make sure everything for the literacy, writing, and math club has been uploaded and emailed out to all new members so they know what's in there. And I need to have already planned out what I'm doing for next month because, again, once that last week ends, I have a whole new week of filming for the next week. So right now I'm kind of in the nice smooth spot of the 2 weeks in the middle of the month where I can plug away at all of those deadlines slowly. Oh, but also I love these weeks because I can do a lot of work. A lot of it is typing on the computer. I'm either reformatting lessons, creating new activities, stuff like that, where I can listen to and watch and catch up on old shows that I have missed. So I'm currently watching Housewives of Salt Lake City. This season is spicy, to say the least. But yeah, I'm doing that for my final paper. I decided I have to make a lesson plan that follows, you know, the steps that we've been going through, which most of my lesson plans already do. I'm using an I do, we do, you do model, which is what I typically use. If you follow me, use my lessons, you know that's pretty much what I do all the time. But there's some extra stuff I need to add in there to make it align for this assignment. And then I have to make some slides. I'm not used to making like PowerPoint slides or digital slides to display to all my students. That's something we've had to do for every assignment in this grad class. I guess I'd like to know from you, do you always display, if you have a smart board or whatever, do you always display slides for your class in K through 2? I'm wondering if that's just something, since I have been out of the classroom for a while, if that is something that is expected or that you like to do. Let me know down in the comments because that's something I might start adding to my own lessons. I always just have printable paper lessons, and then I do have a ton of like anchor charts and stuff like that that I say to display on a board. But it seems like many people in this class, like I said, actually have a slide for like each part, and it's very visually appealing, which I think is kind of cool, and I'm having fun making these slides. So let me know if that's something you are interested in. For this assignment, I chose to do parts of a letter. I don't know when it's going to come out, but I just filmed a video on how to write a friendly letter. It's a whole unit I have in my SJT writing club. So I picked day 2's lesson, which is identify and sort parts of a letter. And again, I'm taking that kind of outline and the anchor charts and I'm making it fit for this assignment to make sure I have everything in there. I'm hopeful this will take less than 2 hours, but that's what I'm going to be plugging away at for now. Okay, I finished up my draft lesson plans and my draft slides, so a big check there. Now I wanted to do that Amazon video I was talking about earlier. I think this will be a lot of fun, so I'm going to pop on over. Let me see. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. The first thing I ordered is this cast iron skillet. I have an old cast iron skillet, but I really wanted a new one. And Half Baked Harvest, she is like my absolute favorite recipe maker chef. She's my absolute favorite chef, and she posts like a 9 favorite things, and this was on, it was either on her 9 favorite things that she weekly does, or it was on one of her like gift lists. I don't know. This is what her account looks like here on Instagram, and I absolutely love her recommendations. So I had a gift card, so I purchased it. So that's that. I don't have it yet. She also had a gift list for like men in your life, and Parker has not had a good pocket knife type thing in a while, and this one looked pretty good, so I ordered that. Next, oh, here we have a memory SD card holder. When shooting YouTube videos, I have 2 different cameras, so they each need a different card, and I pass cards back and forth between me and my editor, so keeping them safe and organized is important. Next, I have an Amazon gift card. I should actually have 2 on here. This one is $25. I did a little I'm thankful for you giveaway over in my Facebook group. My Facebook group will be linked down below in case you want to join. I like to do little giveaways over there every once in a while. So one of the giveaways I gave out was $25 gift card, and you could choose between Amazon, Starbucks, Target, Dunkin' Donuts, and 2 people picked Amazon. So there's actually 2 gift cards that should be in here. The next couple things I've received, you probably saw if you watched my weekend video, but both my boys are currently playing flag football up here and they're having a lot of fun with it. So I got this huge net to go in the basement and some foam balls that they can go ahead and throw. I live up here in Massachusetts, in case you don't know, so the weather tends to be pretty cold. And since this fit in my basement, I thought this would be like a fun activity to keep them occupied this winter. Oh, this next item is a reorder. So here are these Christmas stocking holders. I had already had a set of 4 for the 4 of us in our family, but this year we actually got Sully a stocking of his own. So I wanted the same ones. I love how they are bendable so they can fit right to your mantle, and then they stay pretty sturdy. So I really like these. This next one, I was in New York a few weeks ago with my mom and my sisters and my aunt. And my mom was talking about taking biotin and keratin, just some like, I don't know, vitamins. And it reminded me of these Ollie Beauty vitamins that I used to take after I had Calvin. When I had Calvin, or after I had Calvin, all my hair like fell out and it took forever to grow back in and my nails were all brittle. So I took these beauty gummies. They're the Ollie brand and they taste delicious. I know that's like silly, but they taste delicious. So I got 2 packages of these that I ordered to the house, and I've started taking them again. I've already noticed my nails definitely getting stronger. I haven't really noticed too much about my hair yet, but I've only been taking them for like a week. So I don't know, if you have other like beauty or biotin or women's vitamins that you love, let me know. I just ordered my planner for 2022. It is again the same brand that I've used in the past because that is what I am used to. So you can see here that it has each monthly calendar at the beginning, and then each day is just 8 lines that you can write on. And that way I just kind of draft out everything I need to do, put a little box next to it, and check it off as it is complete. This is just my favorite way to plan, and since this is working, I didn't want to switch it up. Oh, next we have Sully's little ornament. Each year my boys pick out their own ornament. They pick it out themselves, so it's usually like a Mario figure, or this year Theo actually picked a dog man. He picked, because he loves the books Dogman, so he picked a personalized Dogman ornament. So I wanted to get Sully one for our family's little ornament because it's our first Christmas with Sully. Oh, here we have the stickers and the little desk buddies. I mentioned these in my subbing video. It looks like this right here. And I talked about how I like to bring stickers and little desk buddies. They're actually like erasers. They don't work that well, so we call it a desk buddy. And I bring those as an extra incentive as a substitute because, you know, sometimes the kids might not listen to you as well as they would listen to their regular teacher. So by having things like stickers and these little erasers, it just helps give me a little leverage. But if you're a classroom teacher and you have some sort of treasure chest or anything, these are great. Ooh, okay, so a little over a month ago, I shared this picture on Instagram, and I made these little phonemic awareness tools that I've seen before using pipe cleaners and beads. And I wanted to make a class set for Calvin's kindergarten class, so I ordered a few of these little tools and made about 20 of them for the class. You can go read the Instagram post to see how I use it, but basically you can do a bunch of phonological and phonemic awareness activities like segment the word cat and they will move over a bead for each sound that they hear in the word. A big thing of poop bags for Sully, no explanation needed. For our bath upstairs, these are the bath bombs that I absolutely love. My father-in-law got them for me, I think last year or maybe 2 years ago, I don't know. But last year he sent me them as a gift and I loved them so much that I found out the brand, and this is I think my third order of them. I don't actually take that many baths, but when I do, I like to put one of these little bath bombs in here, and I love the different smells. As for bubble bath, this Dr. Teal's Eucalyptus Spearmint is far and away my favorite one. They do sell it at Target. I've seen it there plenty of times. They have another lavender one, but the Eucalyptus Spearmint is my favorite. It's the most relaxing and I just love that smell. So I ordered 2 of those to have. Okay, if you sleep with a sound machine, this is the best one in my opinion. It's the Electrofan right here. We have one in every single room upstairs. We had brought it with us when we went to New York City and unfortunately left it in the room. They weren't able to find it or send it back. So I ordered another one and thankfully Amazon Prime got it here the next day, so we didn't have to go without for too long. I ordered these chairs for soccer season. They fold up so nice and easily. They had great reviews and there's a reason why. They are so comfortable and sturdy, and I also like they have 2 drink holders. So these are them right here. They're Kajaro dual lock camping and sporting chairs. Highly recommend. Oh my gosh, and last but not least, we have some like Costco style snacks that I ordered. My boys love applesauce pouches, especially when taking them to school. So this was towards the beginning of the school year when I think I probably was freaking out about not having enough snacks. So I ordered Cheez-It bags, these Go-Go Squeeze pouches, and Hint Water Blackberry. That's my favorite Hint Water to drink. It's actually the only Hint Water that I enjoy. I love that flavor. Woo! So that was a lot of orders. I will try to go ahead and link everything that I talked about down in the description below. So I'll grab those links for you. If you have any questions about anything I ordered, just pop them in the comments and I will get back to you. But that's the type of stuff I'm ordering. So now, since you know I can't hop on your computer and look at your Amazon purchases, I would love if you would tell me something you ordered on Amazon pretty recently that you've really enjoyed, because maybe I need to, you know, check it out. Hello from much later in the day. Today went pretty swimmingly. It was slow. We played some Mario Kart. We relaxed. I got some work done. Me and Calvin went to pick up Sully from daycare and got us some food. Good news is Theo went to the doctor. They are 99.9% sure it is a virus that is causing his sore throat. And we talked to the school nurse, and since Calvin has 0 symptoms, and we're all completely fine, he is a-okay to go to school tomorrow. So fingers crossed nothing changes, and we're gonna give Theo one more day of rest to see how he's doing, and hopefully he's on the mend soon. I'll be sure to keep you updated, but for now I'm going to sign out And tomorrow morning, we are going to go to Trader Joe's. I'm going to get some food to actually meal prep for the week so I don't have to eat pizza every single day. That would be wonderful for me. So let's meal prep tomorrow. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on Vlogmas Day 8. Bye.